Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best drones of 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best drones of 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, the ultimate aerial cinematographer. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a groundbreaking drone designed to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Equipped with a flagship triple camera system, this drone offers unparalleled versatility and image quality. At the heart of the Mavic 3 Pro is a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, a sensor renowned for its exceptional low light performance and dynamic range. This camera captures stunning images with incredible detail and color accuracy, making it ideal for professional photographers and filmmakers. In addition to the main camera, the Mavic 3 Pro features two telephoto cameras. A 70mm equivalent focal length camera provides a versatile zoom capability, allowing you to capture subjects from a distance without compromising image quality. The other telephoto camera offers a 166mm equivalent focal length, ideal for capturing wildlife or distant landscapes. With a maximum flight time of 43 minutes, the Mavic 3 Pro offers ample time to explore and capture stunning aerial footage. The drone's powerful motors and efficient battery ensure long-lasting flight performance, allowing you to focus on creative exploration. The Mavic 3 Pro also boasts an impressive 15 km HD video transmission range, providing reliable connectivity and real-time video streaming. This ensures smooth operation and allows you to fly the drone at a distance without worrying about signal loss. For added safety and compliance, the Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with FAA Remote ID technology. This feature automatically transmits the drone's identification information to nearby authorities, ensuring compliance with local regulations. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a hobbyist photographer, or simply someone who appreciates stunning aerial views, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate drone for your needs. With its powerful triple camera system, long flight time, and advanced features, this drone will help you capture breathtaking moments from a bird's-eye view. Number 2. The DJI Air 2S sets itself apart from other medium-sized drones with a hefty and capable sensor. This larger sensor allows for complete control over ISO and shutter speed, helping the pilot customize their footage. The adjustable gimbal responsiveness and micro-movements like yawing and turning are smooth, ensuring the video is free of tremors. Not only are the controls intuitive and easy to learn, but taking off and landing are easy too. You can just as easily catch the Air 2S as you can land it on flat ground, which is extremely helpful. The Air 2S also offers obstacle avoidance and a plethora of intelligent flight patterns, including master shots, allowing the pilot to stack intelligent flight patterns consecutively for a cool finished product. While this drone is on the smaller side, it holds its own against light wind and connects to your smartphone or tablet, offering a clear and lag-free image. The Air 2S sensor allows for control over ISO and shutter speed, but it does not allow you to adjust the aperture. This can be troublesome on particularly bright days, but with the help of a filter and automatic exposure, it doesn't affect the final product too negatively. Master Shots is a super cool feature, but it is imperative to ensure your surroundings are obstacle-free when using it. On occasion, we noticed a small amount of propeller intrusion during autonomous flight, but this can be avoided by turning off obstacle avoidance and ordering the drone to prioritize composition. It is still an investment, but the level of performance renders it a truly high-value choice. Number 3. DJI Air 3, a versatile aerial companion. Introducing the DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a sophisticated drone designed to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. Featuring a powerful combination of features, this drone offers exceptional performance and versatility for both professional and hobbyist photographers. Key features of the DJI Air 3. Medium tele and wide-angle dual primary cameras. The Air 3 boasts a dual camera system that allows you to capture both wide-angle and medium telephoto shots without switching lenses. This flexibility enables you to capture diverse perspectives and creative compositions. 46-minute max flight time. Enjoy extended flight times of up to 46 minutes, giving you ample time to explore and capture breathtaking aerial footage. The long flight time ensures you can capture the perfect shot without worrying about battery life. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The Air 3 is equipped with advanced obstacle sensing technology that provides 360-degree protection, ensuring safe and worry-free flights. With omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, you can confidently explore complex environments without the risk of collisions. 48MP photos and 4K to 60 FPS video capture stunningly detailed photos with a resolution of 48 megapixels. The Air 3 also supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth and cinematic footage. Intelligent flight modes. The Air 3 offers a variety of intelligent flight modes, including active track, quick shot, and master shots. These modes simplify complex aerial maneuvers, allowing you to create professional-looking footage with minimal effort. Number 4. DJI Avata Pro View Combo, a compact powerhouse. The DJI Avata Pro View Combo is a first-person view, FPV drone designed for thrill seekers and cinematographers alike. Packed with features, this compact quadcopter offers a unique and immersive flying experience. Key features, 4K stabilized video, capture stunning aerial footage in ultra-high definition with the Avata's 4K camera. The built-in stabilization ensures smooth and professional-looking shots. Super wide 155 degrees FOV, experience a truly immersive perspective with the Avata's wide-angle lens. The 155 degrees field of view provides a panoramic view of your surroundings, making flying more engaging. Built-in propeller guard, safety is a top priority. The Avata's integrated propeller guard helps protect the propellers and reduce the risk of accidents, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. DJI Goggles 2. The Pro View Combo includes the DJI Goggles 2, offering a high-resolution display and low-latency transmission for a more realistic and responsive flying experience. Acro Mode. For more experienced pilots, the Avata features Acro Mode, allowing for precise control and aggressive maneuvers. Durable construction. The Avata is built to withstand the demands of FPV flying, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable drone. The DJI Avata Pro View Combo is a versatile and powerful FPV drone that offers a thrilling and immersive flying experience. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just starting out, the Avata has something to offer. Number 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro, the ultimate pocket-sized drone. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a game-changer in the world of compact drones, offering an impressive blend of advanced features, portability, and user-friendly design. Weighing less than 250 grams, this pocket-sized marvel is perfect for enthusiasts and professionals alike who are always on the move but don't want to compromise on quality. Equipped with a powerful 48MP camera and a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini 4 Pro captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring crisp, high-resolution footage. Its upgraded obstacle avoidance system uses 3-directional sensors to help avoid collisions, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned pilots. The drone's extended 34-minute flight time means longer adventures and more breathtaking shots without constant recharging. With its OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, users can enjoy a stable connection up to 15 kilometers away, providing smooth, lag-free video feeds. The DJI Fly app enhances the experience with intelligent features like master shots, quick shots, and focus track, allowing creative control over every shot. Incorporating top-tier technology in a compact frame, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is truly the ultimate pocket-sized drone, empowering creators to explore new heights and capture the world from fresh perspectives.